I know you need it on velvet. I know that. I know you need it on towels. I did the towel I'm sitting on. I know you got to use it on a towel. Okay. All right. It's asking for 205. So go through the same routine. Clip it over here. All right. Pull this out. Put this in the groove. 205. That is. Oh, what did I forget? I forgot to pull out the old thread, right? Nobody said nothing now, you know? Okay, so we got the Tweety's little feathers over here. In one, right? Down, up, over 2, down 3, up to 4, over 4, 5, and then 6 is right above the needle. So a little bracket there, bracket. That you got to pull in, and you'll feel a little bit of a tug. I cut it off. Here you go. Bring down your little thread. Yeah. All right, now I pull out about at 8 inches. Now here's something that you should know. I made a video on this also. Occasionally, it's happened on 2 PE770s. One I sold to a lady. When she got it, she said there's a little part that fell off. And what had fallen off is the deal that's coming down here. See? What's under there. Let me zoom in a little bit. It's good to know. And if it does happen, I do have a video on it, because when it comes apart, you're going to have 3 parts. All right. All right, there you go. Now, this part here, the black part, the black plastic, and then there's a chrome deal over here, and there's a couple other little parts. One of them, you see it here, sort of an arm plastic thing. There are 3 little parts. This chrome thing comes off the shaft right here. So if you're doing a pattern with like 40 thread changes, where you're doing the threading, every so often put your finger under here and sort of push up, because they don't have a lock device, and when they fall off, they just drop. And you'll have. It happened to my brand new machine. I got a $3,500 machine on my right. Okay, I threaded it. I got my presser foot down, and let me hit the green button. So this is do the feathers. We got some jump stitch, huh? About 4-inch jump stitch. See, one thing nice about embroidery, you become the thread changer And of course, you monitoring things do happen. And you know, you could have tea, coffee while it's going. I know I'm drinking my salsa. If you're watching this for the first time and you have not subscribed to my channel, I got about 280 videos. A good portion of them is on the PE770, brother, PE770, and they are viewed worldwide. This is such a popular machine. And it is embroidery only. They run, say, between $550 and $650. The machine only with the one hoop that I'm using here, 5x7 hoop. A very popular hoop. It's a nice, neat design. You see how nice the thread's coming off? This is polyester thread. Alright, it's asking for number 800, which is red. Okay, put your little bit of thread here in the holder. Okay, 800. What did I forget? Nobody said nothing. Take your thread out and throw it away. Okay. 1, 2, over, 3, down. I got my red light on, that means my presser foot's up. Over 4, down 5, 6, you gotta sort of get in there with your hand. And then up 7, and then clip it. Alright. Get it out of the way there, and then bring this down. Right through. Okay. Alright, bring about, gotta grab it first. About 8 inches. Now press the foot down. Okay. We're doing the red. And like I said, once you get a couple of stitches you get rid of your red. Get it out of the way. You got a nice sized piece there. If you don't put in or pull out the amount that I suggest, sometimes when the needle comes up, it runs out of thread. Yeah, it was just the mouth. That's all it did. All that whip-de-doo. Alright, clip it here, and the rest is going to be the black. Alright, that's the red, and now my black. Press the foot up, take that little piece red out. See, it does clip the red. Has a clipper there. When it's done with using the thread, it clips it at the bottom, but you got to clip it at the top. Alright, so it's telling me that it wants the black. Okay, so over 1, up 2, up 3, over 4, down to 5, 6 above the needle, pull it to the left, 7, and then you clip it. Alright, get rid of your little thread. Needle down. Thread the needle. I didn't mean needle down, I meant auto threader down. Okay, so we got a green light, I got black in there. There we go. I just want to get that black out of there. It didn't seem to use much. That could be something also it's doing it for the mouth.